Hi, friends. Today we're going to do Module 5, Lesson 13, Objective. Show, count, and write to answer how many questions in linear and array configurations. So just like I was saying, to get really good and be a good mathematician, you need to be able to count objects in any position, in circles, in lines. Show me a column. Good. Show me a row. Good. Straight across horizontal. Row. Column. Column. Good. I didn't trick you. Row. Well done. So being able to count all these objects in fun patterns. All right. We will play a game called Count the Say 10 Way. Remember how we say it. 10 1, 11. 10 2, 12. 10 3, 13. 10 4, 14. 10 5, 15. 10 6, 16. 10 7, 17. 10 8, 18. 10 9, 19. Well done. All right, for our problem today, we are going to take a look at our cubes, okay? We're gonna say the say 10 way, but this time we're gonna go backwards. So right now I have two tens. What do I have? Two tens. I have a pink tower of 10 and a blue tower of 10. So when you're writing the number 20, which is how many cubes I have, you have this in your place value chart. So just like our days of school pocket chart, we have our tens column and our ones column. There's no extra cubes that are all by themselves. They're perfectly both in two towers of 10, right? One tower of 10, two tower of 10s. We know that for our team numbers, they all have one tower of 10. So let's get started by counting backwards to our numbers. So we're going to say 19, right? Now we have 19, which is 10, 9, 19. 10, 8, 18. 10, 7, 17. 10, 6, 16. 10, 5, 15. 10, 4, 14. 10, 3, 13. 10, 2, 12. 10, 1, 11. Great job counting backwards. All right, we are going to write our team numbers now. So if you can or want to, get a board, a marker, or a pencil and a paper and write the number of how many cubes you see. So remember, this pink one is a tower of 10. So I want you to count on 10, 11, 12. Good. How many do I have in my tower? 12. Can you write that number on your board? 1 and a 2, which represents 10 and 2, 12. Good. Take a look at my tower now and tell me how many I have. Good. Make sure you're counting on. Good job. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Write that number on your board. A 1 and a 4. Great job. All right, friends, last one. So I've got my 5 there, and I'm actually going to rearrange it a little bit for you. Sorry for the confusion. So you can see that's our 10. That's our row of 5. And now what do I have? Good. 10, 15, 16, 17. Can you write the number 17 for me? A 1 and a 7. Well done. All right, Lewis's father made 15 tacos. Whoa, give me a thumbs up if you like tacos. Me too. He made 15 tacos for the family. That's really nice of him. I bet they were yummy. I need you to show me the 15 tacos. So go ahead and get a marker or a pencil, and I want you to make 15 tacos with me. I'm gonna make big tacos. Remember, we want to show this 15 tacos in a lot of different ways. So showing me what you know. I want to see a picture, a number sentence, and fill in this number bond or the number bond on your paper. It can be a real quick one. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. The first thing that we need to do is represent the number in a picture. So I'm going to draw it the say 10 way, or the 5 group way, excuse me. The 5 group way is 5 on top and the rest on the bottom. So 15. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to switch colors just to help you out. And he has 5 more to go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop, stop, stop. Good. You don't want to add any more tacos than he made. So now we're going to fill in our number bond. What are the 2 parts that you see them in? Good. You can look at the colors and you can remember that to write teen numbers in number bonds, it's easy to split it up by looking at that 10 that you have. So I've got my color, I've got my 10 purple tacos. That's silly. I wonder what they would taste like. And how many green tacos do I have? Bet those taste like guacamole. 10, 5. Good. 10, 5 makes 15. All right, friends, the last thing that we need to do is our number sentence. 10 plus, oh, that's a silly 0. Misput. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Awesome job. Okay, now who can challenge themselves and write it backwards? 15 is the same as 10 plus 5. Good job. All right, we are going to do our hide 0 cards, and I'm going to show you a number, and I want you to tell me what's one more. So counting up. All right, the number is 17. So say 17 and one more is 18. You got it. Good job. Let's do another one. What is 13 and one more? 14. Well done. Guys are doing great at this. Adding one more, great mathematicians. 16 and one more is 17. Getting really good and fluent at counting those teen numbers. Good job. All right, how many 10s do I have? How many towers of 10 do I have? 1, you're right. This tower right here, this pink tower is 1 10. How many cubes do I have all together? Good, so now add up the blue ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have one group of 10 ones, pink ones, and 7 blue ones. How many do I have all together? 17. Good job. All right, now how many do I have on the board? How many 10s do I have? Oh, don't be tricked. There's a 10 here and a 10 here, which means I have 2 10s. Friends, what do 2 10s make? What number? 20. Yes, good job. You can also count if you're not sure and you need to think about it to make your brain smarter, okay? Grow that brain, friends. All right, friends, let's see how many cubes I have now. So there's a couple ways you can count it. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But now that I know that this is a row of 5, I'm going to count by 5s. Watch this. 5, 10, 15, 20. How many cubes do we have? 20. Write 20 on your board. 2 and a 0. 2 10s and 0 extra 1s. All right, let's put them back. How many do I have? Okay, so I have a row of 10 and a row of 10. So I have 2 10s. What does that make? 20. Good, friends. You're seeing how you can count in different configurations. You can count in an array. You can count in a column. You can count in a row, making sure that you can count objects no matter what they look like. All right, friends, help me out. How many ducks do I have? Right here, how many ducks do I have? Sorry about that, friends. My puppy dogs are barking at somebody. All right, so we have 16 ducks. I had to go back and make sure that I had that right. Boys, shh. I have 16 ducks. Let's write 16. A 1 and a 6. Good. Take a look at this duck picture for me and tell me how many we have. Sorry about that. How many do we have in this one right here? Yeah, I found this one easier to count because we have them all lined up nicely. They're the same, right? We have 16 over here and 16 over here. They're just organized differently. All right, friends, last problems. How many baby bunnies are there all together? Good. Some of you are counting quickly. 5, 10, 15. Go ahead and see if you can draw 15 circles, just like the bunnies, in a rows of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. Thanks for joining me, friends.